Hello everyone, welcome to week 7. So this is the third week we've had to talk about how to write an APA format. APA format, super important of course because we have a paper due in week 9. So this is week 7, so you have 2 weeks. So we're going to really have to focus on getting this done. Of course that'll be at the end of week 9, so you have give or take another 6 or 7 days in there, but we open up the APA presentation and paper submission in week 9. And I uploaded a sample paper. I have another video talking through exactly very important components of APA Style 7. So you should be, as you're navigating this week, working on your paper, going over what you need to go over in order to be successful. You don't have to read anymore because you only had chapter 14 and 15 for the last few weeks. We have homework on chapter 15 due this week and, of course, discussion board. And that is all that's due. So continue to focus on your paper, continue to make sure that you do the right thing in order to have a good grade in this paper, and reach out to me when you need help with your formatting. I'm happy to look at your draft and give you feedback. So far, it looks like people are well on their way. Topics have already been chosen. Many of you have emailed me. I appreciate that. While it's not required, it definitely helps you move in the direction that you should. But we still have some work to do to finish our paper. Reach out if you have any questions, and I look forward to finalizing the final week that we're going to really work on our paper and then kind of letting you loose from there to finish up. You should have a good draft done by the end of this week. That is my goal. If you don't have a draft done by the end of this week, you're going to really be scrambling. So let's get that completed. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks so much.